If you're over 50 and you've noticed that your blush looks beautiful when you put it on in the morning, about lunchtime, you're noticing that it's fading, you're not alone. Blush is one of the first things to fade in our makeup look, but this is easier to fix than you might think. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met yet, you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I'm 58 with mature, oily skin. And I have got a layering technique for you that is so simple to do. We're going to lock in that blush. We're going to lock in that makeup all day long. You'll see. Let's get started. Let me know down in the comments if you prefer a cream blush or a powder blush. Personally, with oily skin, I prefer powder, but I'm getting into using both, and that's what we're going to do today. We're using these really pretty palettes from Morphe, super affordable, under $20. You get a cream blush, a powder blush, and then you get this balm that's a little luminous. You can use it or not. I love having a cream and a powder in the same palette and they coordinate. It just makes life so much easier. Everything that I'm using, I will link down in the description below. So be sure to go down there to check out all the links. I'm starting with the cream, and this palette, this color palette, is called Honeymoon Sweet. One of the biggest reasons that our makeup ends up being patchy is we're putting our products on with our hands, and that's moving everything around. Because I put my foundation on with a brush, I want to put my blush on with a brush to keep everything exactly where I placed it. I'm going to use this cream pretty high up on my cheek, from my eyes over and from my nose up. If you want to see a little bit more in-depth tutorial how to apply your blush so that it looks more youthful and lifted, watch this video here. I used a more dense brush for the cream. Now I'm going to use something a little bit more fluffy for the powder. And I want to knock off the excess. That is going to be so important. If you ever had fallout, you're applying your blush and it goes in places that you don't want it. Apply it to your brush and tap it off. Lightly dust over where I applied the cream. And it really locks that color in, but we're not done. We're going to go one more step further to really make sure that this blush stays in place all day long. If you want to use this balm, now's the time. And I'm just going to apply this on my finger and just tap it. The very top of my cheekbone, right below my eye. This really gives this blush a little bit of dimension. Use the balm or skip it. I'm about to lock this in to make sure this blush doesn't move all day long. But if you want to watch me apply all of my makeup step by step, you can watch this video here, and I'll also try to link it at the end. If you need blush that lasts on your mature skin all day long, it doesn't look muddy, it doesn't look patchy, layering is definitely the way to do it. A cream and a powder. You want a dense brush for your cream. You want a fluffy brush for the powder. That is going to lock everything in place. And then you saw me follow everything up with a setting spray. This one is 16-hour hold, alcohol-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, under $10. So good. I will link everything down in the description below. And again, if you want to see a full makeup video, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.